Let us show you why Oryx is the leanest company in the GCC. Inspired by Toyota's long-term success, we have developed the Oryx Way, which is our strategy for remaining in business for generations to come, through a dedication to continuous improvement and the relentless elimination of waste. One of our commitments to quality is our vehicle fleet.
We chose Toyota because they're built for durability and a long service life. With sturdy designs and 4x4 capabilities, they're the perfect choice for looking smart while meeting the rigorous demands of on-site work. Plus, with accessible parts and fixed price servicing, we ensure our focus remains on the customer, not on maintenance delays. By dedicating ourselves to a culture of continuous improvement, we have made many incremental adjustments to our Customised Installation Vehicles, or CIVs in short. They have completely transformed the way we work.
The first version of our CIV had only 2 compartments in the canopy, a top and bottom shelf, which meant that after a while, due to an inevitable descent into chaos, random items could be found there. Some ladders were stored in this top shelf, which was taking a lot of space, so we got rid of them. By moving them to the top of the canopy in a separate compartment.
In the latest version of the CIV, the top shelf is subdivided into 5 compartments for dedicated storage. The medical kit and fire extinguisher are now stored neatly in the canopy, and no one loses any legroom. In the middle of the top shelf, we have introduced a drawer compartment that slides out so our guys can easily reach supplies such as consumables, blowers, cleaning cloths, and small door components. In the bottom shelf, we used to have really heavy toolboxes that our installers would struggle to lug around by hand. The new CIV has smaller and lighter toolboxes, featuring easy grab handles so they can be carried around easily. By using smaller toolboxes, we created extra space for our military operation so that we can arrive on site fully prepared. We even have a compartment that keeps a lunch table for the team and our site signage. Now you really can't say that you've never heard about Oryx. And of course, that's not all we've been up to. Over time, we've established a quartermaster's office to oversee our fleet and equip our teams with the best gear available, including these specialized uniforms with integrated safety features. We've also precision engineered our CIV pit stop so that it only takes 1.5 minutes to replenish stocks, clean the vehicle, and conduct all the safety checks. All these improvements ensure that every vehicle is fully equipped and that our teams are ready to deliver a perfect installation. Team Tango will be taking over this upgraded CIV, and since it's 7:30 in the morning, they'll be dashing off to site soon after.
So, look out for one of our lean machines on a road near you.